Snatch! That dog was about to kill us though. His soul! Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine, for those of you guys who are new here today. And for those of you guys who are returning subscriber, what's up my baby? We're on our way to dinner right now. I decided to randomly just pick up this camera and vlog because I was like, you know what? Go into Cabo, Mexico. If y'all ain't see the vlog, I'll link it up here. Go in there, maybe be like, I want to start vlogging more. And I used to vlog all the time. Then I got out of it and stopped doing it. So I was like, I just want to start vlogging more of my life and daily activities. So I'm on my way to a restaurant called Cooper's Hawk with my sister right now, and we're gonna go do a wine tasting. So yeah, and then we're probably gonna get some like appetizers from, or like food on dinner honestly at this point, because it is 7 o'clock. We're probably gonna grab that after. That wine gets you lit, okay? And it's so good. It be tasting like juice, and they have all these different flavors. I highly suggest it if you guys like live in Michigan. I'm not sure if they have Cooper's Hawk in other states, but if you live in Michigan, I know they have multiple locations. Check them out. The wine tasting, I believe, is like $11 or something like that, and you literally can try, I think, like 8 or 10 different wines, and they give you like probably, I would say like a half a glass each wine you try. Maybe not half a glass, a little less than half, and you be lit, okay? Definitely get ready with me on this look. So if it's up, I'll put a little link to the video up here, and if it's not up, stay tuned, because this is my sister calling me right now and I'm nowhere near the restaurant. Hello?
Where you at?
I'm about to turn down Hall Road.
Okay.
Y'all, so it's super busy in there right now, so we about to go take some pictures, because I told y'all I want to get a picture in this look, and then we'll, there's actually a black wall that I kind of want to take a pictures against that I took it at before, but it's all the way by, it's by that Burger Fin.
That's that Cardi if we turn up now, weapons out, are you gonna back your goon? All of this bricks on they right, ayy, passed up to my eyes. All of this, that, ripping and right. Ding dong, poop, skid, skirt, fruit. I bite dot in the back is loose. DY driving through, 3DY, leap up on use. Blue, see man scattering through. I'm on ambulance, gang, screaming out all the crew.
Lemony, and it's made of a lemon seltzer. Because it has lemon peel, lemons, and citrus lime too. It's good. Turkey burger, regular burger.
What did I get last time? Turkey burger? We could split. We could not.
Maybe drinking girls.
Shoot, we already had enough wine. We don't need nothing else.
3 man 4 blades on your SA, cause SA got 2. With old boy, he coo. He go with 1 step 2. Kenneton, watch where you're riding. Jump and ride on you. Y'all and bands of violence. I'm no victim before you're thinking like Banky's kitchen on you. All of this, that, ripping and riding. All of this, that, ripping and riding.
Hey y'all, it's the next morning. Last night was fun. I had so much fun with my sister. We was just kikiing and eating our little delicious over the border egg rolls. They were so good, and had our little wine night. Look, I highly suggest that if y'all, and I just learned that they do have them in other states, but anyway, today's Saturday and I'm on my way to go get some Mother's Day gift for my mom and my sister, because you know my sister is a mama now. I got a little niece who I'm in love with, so I wanted to like be nice and like grab her some like, I don't know if I'm gonna do something like big for her, but I want to get her something, you know.
Send a text message, girl.
Stop, wait a minute. The way you move that girl, you done got my heart all in it. And I just wanna be with you tonight. Girl, please, I'm a player, yeah, it's true, but I changed the game for you. I wanna see what it do. Can I be for real? This is how I feel. I'm in need of love, so let's dip up out of here. Ooh, you're just my type. Everything's so right, and I just wanna cheer. So let's dip up out of here. Let's dip up out of here.
Okay, so I'll just start with my sister's gifts just because like, I really didn't get her that much because even though like, you know what I mean? She is a mother. She's not my mother. So I got my mom a little bit more stuff. So for my sister, I just got her a bottle of tropical Moscato. She loves wine and like sweet wine. So I got her a bottle of that because she needs it. Dealing with my little niece. And then I got her some of her little favorite chocolates. These are the s'mores bark crisps. She loves these so much. So I got her some of those. And then I'm planning on getting her flowers. And then I got her this card as well. It's like, a sister is someone you can blah, blah, blah. And then it says something about being a wonderful sister and friend. No surprise, you'd be a great mother as well. So that's what I got her. So basically just wine, chocolate, and some flowers. And then I'm going to look through like my makeup and PR, like I said, and see if there's like anything that I could just kind of throw in the bag to just give her a little bit more. But I just thought that was more of like a sweet little gesture. And then for my mama, I got her some pajamas. Because my mama loves matching pajama sets. So I got her these cute little pajamas from Target. It's like they're shorts and like a cute little button up. It was only $21 for this set. Honestly, I really need to get a set for myself because I think that they're really cute. And then I also got her some candy as well. I got her some sea salt caramels because my mama loves chewy caramel. So I got her some of those. And then I also got her some face wipes. These aren't from Target though. I got these not too long ago from like TJ Maxx, and I just feel like they were perfect because it says moms, mamas, madres, mommies. So I feel like, oh, Mother's Day is perfect. And y'all, she always is asking me if I have any like extra face wipes and stuff, like because she knows that like I be getting stuff from PR. She's like, you have any extra face wipes? Because she uses these every night. I don't know why, but she uses them every night. She doesn't wear makeup. She uses them every night. So I was like, let me get her some of that. And then, of course, I got my mama card as well. And then I actually, from Amazon, have a cute little, like, matching set coming. It's like a little zip-up, like, hoodie and, like, a pair of leggings. That's coming in the mail because I was wearing a matching set the other day. She was like, oh, I like that little set, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, okay. So I was like, okay, I'll get you one. So I got that for her. And then I'm also going to find some little random stuff in my PR collection and see if I could give that to her as well. So I'm just about to edit this video, and I'm currently watching Vampire Diaries, and I'm just gonna finish that right now. The plans later is I'm supposed to be going out with my cousin. Me and my sister will be meeting up with him, going to a bar to like celebrate our birthdays because we really didn't get a chance to get together for our birthdays. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I got to do this.
Hornitos añejo. You got Hornitos. I got mango.
Hornitos.
Hornitos, no Hornitos.
Hornitos.
Is that the hot spot? The hot one with the chili? Spicy mango.
That's it. Spicy mango.
Me and another one mango, but not spicy.
Right.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
This is spicy strawberry on the rocks. Okay.
Okay, I have chicken enchilada dinner.
Thank you.
They good?
They good?
You got one too, right? Yeah. I like it. You dip it in this. All right, y'all. So we just got back in the car from dinner. It was so good. I had the quesadilla tacos. This is my first time having birria tacos. It was lit. It was so good. My breath stank. That's why I got some gum in. I had a lot of onion and cilantro on them. But where are we going now, Kira? Royal Oak. I don't know where to the Oak. We going to the Oak, and we're prontos. Yeah, I'm sure. I don't want to stay that long though.
No, we don't have to stay that long.
Because I do, in fact, I want to be home by 12:30 at the latest.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because my bedtime is 12 o'clock. I'm an old lady now.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care.
Snatch! That dog was about to kill us though. His soul! Hey y'all, so it's a few days later from last time I seen y'all. I haven't done nothing at all this week. I was just been working and stuff, but say hey, Kiki. Hey, let me put this window up. But we're having, well, let me say, it's Cinco de Mayo. Feliz Cinco de Mayo. And we're gonna have, they're stopped right there, but these person's brake lights is off, so we were about to get killed. We can stop at GFS on the way back, I guess. Yeah. We are about to go to the grocery store because we're having Cinco de Mayo taco nights at my parents' house tonight. So we gonna chef up the tacos, and yeah, this is gonna be the last day of the vlog, by the way, too. And then I'm gonna start another one this weekend so that it'll be up next weekend. I'm just speaking out loud. Y'all see my nails? Missing these boys. Yeah. So we're about to run to Target, get some coffee and some groceries, and yeah, I'll see y'all in there.
The back man, the boy got dollars, so women come frequent like flight mileage. It ain't no secret. I might holler, but I ain't gon' sweat you, baby. I'ma let you catch up with your game. Run faster, don't let them lose you, cause I ain't gon' bless you unless you feel a little desperate. Send a text message, girl.
Stop, wait a minute. The way you move that skirt, you done got my heart all in it. And I just wanna be with you tonight. Girl, please, I'm a player, yeah, it's true, but I changed the game for you. I wanna see what it do. Can I be for real? This is how I feel.
Nanai.
Oh, so she really understands pictures.
Yeah.
Or she's seen the video.
You on there? Dang, don't touch it. So this is the lineup. More importantly, this is the lineup.
Is that what? No, she would like Prince of Egypt.
She watched Prince of Egypt.
I mean, she was a little
But
traumatized.
is there I'm getting them a bag.
Oh yeah, the Prince of Egypt scared her, but she liked it still.
Yeah.
But in that part when they was like,
Snatching them?
snatching the babies and running and putting them together out there, she was scared.
Yeah, Auntie Jazzy.
Empty Jazzy. Empty Jazzy. All right, first you gotta put them in the freezer.
That's how she's got that arm candy camera, mama.
Yeah, and I got your
Now you make
color.
it two everywhere else. Make
Some
it five
empty
everywhere else.
Jazzy.
Two, or you just got
No,
two?
I ain't empty Jazzy.
Empty. All right, so lime juice and blackberries. I'm adding a little honey. A lot of honey.
Is it not really?
And I don't want to eat.
I'm about to muddle it with this ice cream scoop. Cause we don't got a muddler. Nah, Kira, this is hitting. This is really a muddle, for real.
Yeah.
Okay, baby.
And then we gotta put ice in the cup, Jasmine. Ice in the cups too. Might need more blackberries.
All right, y'all. So I got my little chilled glass. Kira already finished hers. I'm gonna put.
Okay. We don't have no.
That should really be enough ice.
You don't want to put too much sugar in it.
Yeah, kind of like he was doing it, but really.
Whose napkin is this?
No, because I asked him, I clarified something. I said, okay.
Oh, I didn't even put the alcohol in here. What the heck am I doing? You wasn't even over here. You wasn't even over here.
Yes, I was. I brought it over here.
Glug, 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 glug.
Oh, my honey's
He said, whatever you want.
Honestly, I think my last day of work
You
is
still got to take, the good thing about it is you don't got to take the car over you don't have to take the car over right away. Once you get approved, it's approved for a certain way.
I already texted you.
Because if you don't get approved for it, then I give you time to.
Let's taste
Oh,
it.
yeah, they are gonna look at that.
They're gonna look
You at least need to pay probably
How much
half
you
of
have
that.
in
How much you owe on your credit card?
It's just strong.
It'd be good to pay at least.
Ooh, mine is very,
Probably better than
very,
that,
very
like,
strong.
That's why you want to do it. Like that's why it'd be good for me out there to get it situated sooner.
Sooner.
Later, so they give you time to sell your car if you need to.
everywhere.